Well, good evening. It's Friday, the 12th of September, and I'm at a RV park in Tucum. I always put an extra syllable in there. I say Tucumcari, but it's Tucumcari, New Mexico. And here's my. I'm right here at the Blaze Inn Saddle RV Park. I have this shirt because I bought it last year when I came back this way and stayed here and thought it was a nice. You don't see many black T-shirts like this for places, so I bought it. Now I'm going to show you the back. Let's see if I can stay in range of the camera. Let's see. Hopefully by here you can see the back of the T-shirt. Ta-da-da-da-da. Okay. Anyway, so I went in and said hi, and he said, "Oh, nice T-shirt," and that was it. So anyway, it's a cute little park, and comfy enough, and that's where I am. Did about 330 some odd miles today, casual day. Left at 9 o'clock, got here around 4. The wind is blowing outside, but not rainy yet. No rain today. The first video I'm going to show you is some rain that came in last night after I had posted yesterday's video. And just let you hear the sound of rain on an RV roof. And me being sanctimonious about the fact that I was in a nice, warm, dry RV while there were people outside in tents. Now, I can remember when I used to tent camp, I would put a tent on the back of the bike, a sleeping bag, an army mess kit, and a army canteen for water, and go for long distances. Started out on my Triumph. My first trip was from Sterling, Virginia to Dayton, Ohio to see the Air Force Museum. Later, I graduated 2 full-dress Harleys, and I had a tour pack and saddlebags, and my wife and I did a lot of touring. And but frankly, we didn't camp. We went hotel to hotel to hotel. Not even motel. We went first cabin all the way. A lot of miles, a lot of places to see. Then we went into RVing, and that's where we are now. So anyway, I was thinking back in those days of my Sears tent. Had a fly. I think they called it a fly because usually it would fly away in a strong wind. But after I got up in the morning and all that rain we had last night, of which you are going to hear the sound, the tenters were fine. I mean, they got new tents that are just incredible. They're like bubble tents with flies. They had them staked down like 6 different ways, and that rain really sounded fierce, but they were snug as a bug. Now, on the other hand, one of the things that used to make me crazy when I was tenting was getting up in the morning and it being raining, and trying to start a fire and trying to make some coffee, and because when we were tent camping on a motorcycle, we couldn't take along a stove. So trying to start a fire to make some coffee in the morning, oh, it was horrible, wet wood. Anyway, so the RV is more comfy. Even this little RV is more comfy. So we're at the Blaze Inn Saddle, thank you, RV park in Tucumcari, New Mexico. And tomorrow I'm going to be heading east. I'm going to try to do a few more miles tomorrow. We did 300 and so on. I'm going to try to get a little earlier start and maybe get 400 miles. That'd be nice. So anyway, that's where we are. We're doing fine. Rig's running fine. Apparently that loose cap that I talked about yesterday that was banging around was what was banging around. And so that's good news. There are still occasional clanks and clunks that make me wonder, what's happening? Is that a clank or a clunker? Who knows? I may spend some time under the rig someday, probably when I get back, looking for loose pipes and things like that. So anyway, here come the video of where we are. and last night's video, and a couple of photographs. And that's about it for the day. Gonna call it a night. And I'll post another one tomorrow. Ah, the lovely sound of rain on the roof of my RV. Ooh, thunder. Wow. It's coming down pretty good. And I'm not in a tent. I'm working on my personal hotspot, so it's really going slow. As long as nothing leaks, I'm okay. I'll let you know tomorrow if anything leaks, because this is about as heavy as it's been since I bought this RV.